in this video we're going to talk about how to write up a correlation. Okay, in this one our variables are here, glasses of water and skin elasticity rating. Okay, we can notice that our R value, which is correlation, is at 985. Right here we know it's below 0.05, so we know that it is significant. Okay, and there were 5 bodies in this participants in this study. Okay, if you ever see the 2 dots, usually it's going to say it down here at the bottom where it says correlation is significant at 0.01. Well, we go 0.05. So in terms of this, we know that it's significant. Back to the last slide. Glasses of water and skin elasticity. So this is the first portion of the write-up. So this is a Pearson product moment correlation. In all the studies that we're going to do and all the write-ups we're going to do, this is your like an introductory sentence. You have to introduce what test you're running, which would be this, and then you would be telling which variables. So what were the 2 variables? So it would be glasses of water and skin elasticity. Okay, meaning how elastic it is. Okay, so we have this. Now remember, every time we are in a very, very straightforward manner building a story that can be read. And if you understand the numbers, then you'll understand everything that the story will tell from these numbers. So all of your Pearson product moment correlation will start out with this. So again, one more time. Name was computed to assess the relationship, because we're running a correlation, so it would be a relationship between glasses of water and skin elasticity. Okay. And here, right here, is a proper write-up. Computed to assess the amount of water one consumed and the rating of skin elasticity. Either way is fine. To be looking at the correlation itself. So we know the correlation is at 0.985. Remember, if we stay on that line of 3, 5, and 7, meaning 3, 0.3, 0.5, and 0.7, this would be slight, this would be moderate, and this would be high. So we're between 7 and 9. 7 and a perfect correlation. So this would be this is a highly. Okay, now there's no negative sign, so it would be positive correlation. Okay, we know that there are 5 participants, and at the end here we know that it's at 0.002, it's below 0.05. So let me erase that and do that again. A little neater here. It's at 0.002, which is below 0.05, which makes it significant. Okay? These 2 are the same. These 2 don't count because this is a perfect correlation. We're basically looking at this box, which is the same as this box. Because it's skin elasticity to glasses of water. And this is skin elasticity this way to glasses of water. Okay? So we know the numbers are 985, and we know there was 5 participants, and P was less than 0.05. Okay, now so here's how there was a positive correlation. Now you can say positive correlation, but a high positive correlation. Okay, whether it says high or not, everybody's going to know it's high because it's really close to it being perfect. Here is your N number, and here is your P is less than 0.05. Remember, at 0.002, and then we have this. So this is your second sentence. Now we have to examine the scatter plot. This is the line that goes in each of them. This figure over here, if you have three of them, three scatter plots, you're doing three different ones, you would increase the numbers. So it would be scatter plot number 1, 2, 3, etc., and forward. Okay? So this is a general line. It comes right after you do that little formula. Okay? We're looking at the scatter plot. Now there's only 5 participants, so it's pretty easy. Here again is our best fit line. Okay? We are rising. Okay? We are going up, which means both went up. So for practice, the conclusion of this, as glasses of water were consumed, as glasses of water, in this case, were increased. And the next sentence would be skin elasticity was increased. Because be it that it is in upward motion, it's a positive correlation, both go up. Increase, increase. If it went this way, as glasses of water, as skin elasticity increased, glasses of water decreased. Okay, doesn't really work, but in this case, just for example. Okay, the results of the scatter plot show there was a strong positive correlation between water consumption and skin elasticity. The result shows water consumption increases, so does skin elasticity. This is how you would write it up. The last component is to add the coefficient of determinant, which will tell me to determine how much variance between two variables share, or how much variance is explained. That's the big word right there, is explained or accounted for by a set of variables and an outcome variable. In English, how much one variable affects the other. In this case, the R2 is 0.97. Taking 0.985, okay, and you run it to square, it comes out 0.97. And the way it's written is R2 equals 0.97. Then we turn it into percentage, so therefore 0.97 is 97%. The write-up is the coefficient of determination was reported at R2 equals 997. Okay? 97% of the variability in skin elasticity is explained by the amount of water consumed. Okay? Therefore, the results show the water consumption increases, so does elasticity. Kind of showed this in the other video, but here we have water, and here we have skin elasticity. We have this 97% in the middle. Okay? That's a large number. Okay? So 97% of the water consumption, okay, created better skin elasticity. It's just another way of showing it. This is showing you how the R2 actually works. Here is the entire write-up. Pearson product moment correlation was computed to assess the relationship between the amount of water and skin elasticity. There is your test, here is your variable, and here's your second variable. There was a positive correlation between the two variables. R, 0.985, all three numbers. You can delete the 0 if you want. N, capital N, italicized, equals 5, and P is, that should be less than 0.05, because it was at 0.002. The scatter plot summarizes the results, figure 1, okay, and right underneath this you would be putting your scatter plot. The results of the scatter plot showed there was a strong positive correlation between water consumption and skin elasticity. So you see the word strong here? It's the same. You could do high or strong. Okay, and the reason why I use strong here is because it reads so much better. Strong positive correlation between water consumption and skin elasticity. The coefficient of determination was reported at R2 equals 0.97. Therefore, the results show the water consumption increases, so does elasticity.